Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be doing a review on this CASABREWS Espresso coffee machine. So the first thing that I want to mention about the machine is that it's super simple to use. Everything is super intuitive, and I definitely think that they made this machine with the average consumer in mind. Now I would consider this machine more of an entry-level machine. It's definitely at a very affordable price, and to be honest, some of the features definitely reflect that. One of which is going to be in all this chromed plastic. So we do have stainless steel here on the sides, but any chrome glossiness that you see is going to be full plastic, which definitely feels a little cheap. So we do have a very small heat tray on the top, and then we also have a very small compact water tank in the rear. Now the water tank can be completely removed, or you can just fill it up by lifting the top. So like I said earlier, everything is super intuitive. Now here on top we do have a very nice touchscreen. We have the on and off. We have the single cup, double cup, and then the steam. And then finally we have this little knob on the side, which is going to be used for your hot water. So one thing that I didn't like is that the steam wand is completely on the side of the machine. Normally they're on top of the tray or over the tray, but in this case I guess it makes sense because it's such a small machine, it has to be off to the side. What's really annoying though is that anytime that the steam wand drips, you have to have some sort of container to hold it. And its weakest link is definitely going to be the portafilter. It's super cheap plastic. And then like I said earlier, we also have that glossy plastic as well, which just seems like it was glued on or fit on, which also has horrible clearances. The basket moves around, it doesn't sit in place, and then there's a whole bunch of plastic within. Now this portafilter can be upgraded, and CASABREWS actually provides an upgrade that you can purchase separately. And so honestly, I think that would be a great investment if you're looking to have a much better experience, but it will be an extra purchase. And I mean, overall, I think it's a great starter machine. I think it's great for any beginner that's just getting started making espressos. And I feel like if you can upgrade the portafilter to a bottomless portafilter, it would go from a good option to a great option. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent, affordable machine.